count down. You ready?
You go ahead. Countdown.
3, 2, 1, fire. Did you fire?
Yeah, I fired. Did you fire?
Yeah, I didn't even see anything come at me.
Neither did I. Let's try it again.
All right, 3, 2, 1,
Wait.
fire. I hit
I
you.
wasn't ready.
Okay. You
Okay,
ready?
ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1, fire.
Did you get hit?
No, I don't think so.
It looked like you got hit, but yeah, it works. Can a bullet shoot? All right. All right. Countdown again.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, fire.
Nope.
You went up in the air.
No, like I got hit. Wait, why is there a helicopter right here?
I don't know. I spawned it and it spawns in the air. There's nobody even in it. I spawned it and it spawned flying.
Let's do it closer. This close, all right?
All
With
right.
the rockets. Oh shit.
It went over my head. I saw it that time fly by. All right.
Okay.
This is a duel with rocket launchers. 3, 2, 1, fire. Oh, yeah, I saw it coming that time. You hit me. Did you get
Maybe
hit?
it was going over your head all those other times.
From here, it looks like
Just
you're.
over it.
It looks like you're facing the helicopter, but the missile comes right at me. Try it again. 3, 2, 1, fire. Now your missile went over my head.
It looked like it exploded right on you.
Yeah, I saw it go over the top of my head.
I didn't get hit.
You got me that time.
All right, see you later, dude.
All right, man. Talk to you later.
User disconnected from your channel.
All right, well, it looks like everybody left the game, so I'll be going too. See you later. Bye.